Okay, I'm doing a review on the ELAMOR Intelligent Door Lock. I chose this for a number of reasons off of my buying choices, but mostly because we live way out in the country. We have 3 dogs and 2 cats, and there have been a couple of times an event where we needed somebody to come over and let our dogs out. And I don't have a hide key, and also that I have kids and I have other family members who come over when we're not here. And I would like to be able to have a keypad so that it makes it easier for them to come in and out. I have decided to put this on a door that doesn't get a lot of weather because it is an electronic keypad. So I'm trying to put it in, we have 6 exterior doors, and I'm trying to put it in a door that doesn't get a lot of rain exposure. This is also Wi-Fi enabled. Instruction booklet. This looks like template, fold over door, template for the hole placement. One of the reasons that I'm doing this now is because on our exterior doors, these holes need to be cut separately. This doesn't go on your current doorknob, and all of our doors are metal. And so my husband, who will be installing these for us, has to go. He only has a wood hole saw. He does not have a metal hole saw. So he's going to have to go buy a metal hole saw. That might be something that you'll have to check out if you don't have a handy dude. You'll have to hire somebody to cut those holes in your metal door. One of the things that I noticed when looking at the description of this was that it is what it says here. Does it say here? A zinc alloy. And I didn't know much about zinc alloys, except that I did know that the zinc alloys on locks, padlocks, are not considered great because they're easy to hammer open, which really isn't a consideration with this. However, there are different levels of zinc alloy. There's zinc that's made with more aluminum and zinc that's made with more copper. And the ones with more copper, brass, are definitely tougher than the ones that are made with aluminum. And here's the pad and a box full of goodies. So basically that's it. You have instructions, template, the unit itself, and let's see what's in here. Screws, that looks like for the door plates, I'm assuming. Keys, because this does have a key lock as well as the electronic pad to open with it. You could do either or. On the back side of the door, I do not know what this is. Possibly the receiver for the bolt. I guess we'll find out. This is the inside. Obviously it has manual. You can take it manually and do it that way. This is the outside, so you do keypad or lock, which the keys are provided. 4 batteries. I only have 3 out. Hang on. I am a big proponent of the Amazon Basics alkaline batteries. I buy them in bulk, which they come in, I think I bought these in 72 pack. Love them. Love the cost. Love how they perform. They do very well for me. So, obviously I don't have these in yet, so this is not installed. I was going to see if I can actually turn on the keypad. Oh, look at that. It's working. And then I'll have to read the directions and see if I can get it to hook up to my phone. So the battery case is plastic. This is plastic. This is zinc alloy. This looks like it's the zinc alloy. So the body is zinc alloy. This is on the inside of the door, on the inside of the house. This side against door, not this side. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and read the directions and get it set up with my phone. Nice. Popped right up there. And then I'll turn this back on and see how we did. Okay, so I went ahead and put the batteries in, and I'm doing the testing process, and at this point, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's definitely moving. Obviously fuse lock, you can see that it moves with this one. And then if I do the pin pad, using the pin pad, well, it was working. The first time I did it, it actuated perfectly. Comes with a factory default, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see it locked. Factory default. Nice. So it works on the factory default with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm wondering if it has a 6 number, if you have to have a 6 number code. And this has all the instructions to hook it up with your router, which I'm sure it will do just fine. So you can add new members, which would obviously be anybody you want to have the access to your app. Looks like your password is 6 numbers, which seems like a lot, but that's fine. So when we do get it installed and working and hook it up to the app, we'll see how user-friendly it is for the app and the other stuff. But as so far, everything should be working just fine.